Hello, today I'm going to be picking a Kaba 6062 and see there, grade 4, and there's the grade number above it. And I don't know if I'm right, so just a guess, I think it's a Quattro S with a 12 pin in it. Got an okay with this, it's all locked up. I'll be using a medium tension for this one. I'll not be cutting this lock because it's just it's too complicated for me to put back together. Let somebody else try and put it back together, or just strip it. Who's ever brave enough? You leave the slight clicks when I'm setting the right pins. You can hear them, the little tiny faint clicks. They feel like a bit like Garrison's these when you're picking these, because it does take a little while to get used to picking these, like. But it's just like everything in it. The more time you put into something, the more reward you get out of it. There we go, picked. Right. Picked. What I'll do is I'll take the lock out, I'll take the back plate off, and I'll show you the pins either side. Like I said, I'd love to got this lock, but I just know that I'll never get it back together, and I just don't want to destroy a good decent lock. Quite simple design. That little square bit fits into that, but simple is always effective. I'll stick that down there a minute. I'll take this back plate off just to show you the inner pins. Like I say, I'd love to gut it, but like I'll never get it back together. I just know I'm not, so I'm not going to destroy it. The kids are up, so I'll have to be sharpish. Like I say, it's always the same when I do these videos. Kids always seem to go just about when I'm about to gut a lock. It's just so funny. Oops. Now we'll go plate off. Make sure that doesn't slide out. I'll show you the first side pins first. Just warning now, this torch is bright. See the side pins on that side? And I'll show you the other side pins on the other side. And there's your other pins on the other side. And I'll show you the two pins at the bottom. See the two pins there. And there you go. Kaba 62, picked and gutted. Picked and gutted, sorry, picked. I'm yet that used to seeing it. And there's your pin set. I'm not used to seeing picked and gutted, sorry about that. And there's your rest of your pins, see them all entwined, entangled, sets a row, but there you go. Like I say, it's early, I've just finished work and I'm quite shattered, so I've bridged out with it, so I'm sorry about that anyway. But anyway, thanks for watching, bye.